umaga po at welcome po sa ating programa, My Morning Manna with Pastor Oji. Buksan po natin ang ating mga Biblia sa aklat po ng Deuteronomy chapter 33 verse 12. Ito po pagkasabi, "The beloved of the Lord shall dwell in safety by him, who shelters him all the day long, and he shall dwell between his shoulders." Now, my topic for this morning is on his shoulders. Di po ba ang mga anak natin gusto talaga magpakarga dito sa ating mga balikat? Tama po ba? And the child is safe and secure riding on our shoulders. And I know that God is the same thing with us. No? We as His children, nais niya po na tayo ikargahin sa kanyang balikat. At kung ako kakargahin sa balikat ng Diyos, I feel safety. No? I know He will lay me on His shoulder as a shepherd carries the lamb that was lost. Remember that when we are facing troubles and trials, God is on our side. Kung nakaya niya ngang hawakan ang buong universo, bakit hindi niya tayo kayang hawakan? Nais ko po iparating sa inyo na hindi po tayo dapat mabahala sa ating pamumuhay at hindi po tayo dapat mabalisa. Because when we have God on our side, we are always on a safe side. No? We are always in safety. Last point po, the God who holds the universe is the God who is holding you. Nais ng Diyos na hawakan po tayo, nais ng Diyos na gawin tayong safety no sa araw-araw ng ating pamumuhay. Kaya po may mga panahon na minsan akala natin para nasasakal ka na, but no, God is holding you that you will not fall from danger. No? Nais ng Diyos na is-safety tayo. Kaya po, patuloy po tayo magtiwala sa kanyang mga kamay in times of our trouble kasi nandyan lang po siya pala. God bless po ang mga